of Marchand demand function using the Lagrangian method. So we're just going to start off with finding what we actually want to find, which is the maximum utility of x and y, which produces x to the half, y to the half, subject to price of x times by the quantity of x plus the price of y times by the quantity of y equals the income. So next we want to write out our Lagrangian equation. So we have x to the half, y to the half, plus Lagrangian m minus price of x, x minus price of y, y. Now we can do our first order condition with respect to x. Half of x to negative half, and then y to the half. Minus, this cancels out, so we just have Lagrangian px. Then we can do it with respect to y. We get half of x is times to the power of half, y to the negative half, minus the Lagrangian of py. And finally, we can do it with respect to the Lagrangian. So we can get just m minus px, x minus py, y. What we do now is we try and work out y so that we can eventually sub it in to calculate x, which is what we want to find. So to work out y, we can just divide one function by another. I just moved this to the other side because minus, it should really be this. So then we have half of y to a half, half of x to the half, y to the negative half, equals lambda times y price of y. So divide these two. Half times half cancel each other out. X to the negative half divided by x to the half is 1 over x. Y to the half divided by y to the negative half is just y. Equals, these cancel out, p of x over p of y. So what we get from that is we can get, same as x over y, we get y equals p of x over p of y. Good. So now what we can do is just sub in this into there to get m minus p of x, x minus p of y, and this is p of x, x over p of y. And then we just times them together, so these cancel. So we get m minus p of x, x minus p of x, x again. So m minus 2p of x, x. So what we want to do is find x. So we do m equals 2p of x, x. And obviously that means that x equals m over 2p x.